Hi, in this video, we will show you, by using Crystal Retail Suite, how you can create, manage and complete appointments. But before that, we will also check about creating shift, assigning shifts to employees, defining leaves, then we will create appointments, check how to change the various status of appointments, finally we will make invoice directly from the appointments. To make a change to shifts, head to Shift Master in the Staff menu. Here, you can make, remove, or change shifts. When making a new shift, give it a name, a short 3-letter abbreviation, and set its start and end times. Click the Save button. Newly created shift will appear in the list below. Once you've made a shift, you can assign it to employees. Just go to the Staff menu and choose Assign Shift. There, you'll find the shifts you created, and you can set which days of the week are working days or weekly offs. You can assign one shift per day, but you can have different shifts for different weekdays. For instance, Julie might work the morning shift on Mondays and Tuesdays, the afternoon shift on Wednesdays and Thursdays, and the evening shift on Saturdays and Sundays. She's off on Fridays. To set up different types of leave and record employee absences, you use two separate screens. First, go to the Business menu and select Leave Types. From there, you can enter the name of a new leave type and save it. To log an employee's absence, go to the Staff menu and pick Leave Entry. Choose the employee's name, then the type of leave. Set the start and end dates, and the number of days will show up. Lastly, decide if it's a paid or unpaid leave. This feature helps with salary calculations if you're subscribed to the payroll module in Crystal Retail Suite. To schedule an appointment, you have a few options. You can go to the menu, select Appointments, then choose New Appointment. Alternatively, if you're logged in and on any page, look for the Quick Action menu on the right side, usually in green. From there, select Appointments, or you can use the Appointment button on the dashboard. When you go to the appointment screen, the date will default to today's date. You'll see all the appointments booked for today listed there automatically. Once you choose a service and select an employee, the system will intelligently check the selected employee's shift and display it above. If the employee is off on the chosen date, it will be indicated in orange. Additionally, the system will filter the selected employee's appointments for that date. To recall the appointment, simply click the plus button. You can either save the records directly or collect a token amount for the booked appointment. Choose the mode of payment for accurate accounting purposes, then save the record. After saving an appointment, the system will take you to the appointment listing page. Here, you can view all appointments categorized by status, such as booked, confirmed, arrived, completed, cancelled, or all. Each category shows related records. You can also filter appointments to display all upcoming or future appointments. Additionally, you can send WhatsApp reminders to clients for their scheduled appointments or take action to change the appointment status. By clicking on Action for a booked appointment, you can open it to either edit the details or change its status from booked to another status. Additionally, you can create an invoice directly for this appointment by simply clicking on the Invoice button. Details from the appointment record, including client information, service details, and prices, will be automatically pulled into the invoice. You can also add more items or services the client may have purchased during the visit. Additionally, if the client has made a payment during the appointment, the system will include the payment details and deduct the paid amount from the total invoice. Now, choose the payment method and save the invoice. After saving, you can print the receipt by clicking on the Print option. The receipt will display clear details about payments made by clients. This is how we completed a full cycle of appointment booking with Crystal Retail Suite. Thank you.